Hey everyone, welcome to the intro to my devlog. This is my game that I will be making this devlog about. I don't really have a title for it. It's supposed to be a tower defense-like survival game. As you see, there is a tower destroying an enemy. You can't really tell it's an enemy since the player, the tower, or the player, the enemy, and the what I call a settler right here all look exactly the same. That's because I'm not good at 3D modeling and just kind of stole the one from Unity. So if you're looking to find a good devlog about 3D modeling, this is not it. But as you can tell, it kind of looks like the bare basics of a game. It's better than nothing. It's what I've been working on. The settler right here is he's like an engineer that I would call him. So he kind of fixes up towers, and that's what he's doing. There's not really much animations other than the ones that Unity supplied with their first person and third person assets. So that is what I'm using for this. The tower kind of has, I guess you could call it an animation. He does rotate, and that is a bug right now. He's supposed to go back to like his default circle where it's kind of flat, but right now it's kind of going at an angle. That's not too much to worry about. But yeah, I'll be continuing this devlog. This is more of an intro video than an actual first episode of the devlog. So I'll probably only be adding the major tasks and not really much of like the fixing bugs or cleaning up or other than that. I do have, already kind of a settings menu with some of the default settings, and they all work. They will be updated. There are, once again, some bugs since I just recently updated to the new Unity input system. So that's why these are kind of messed up. But everything else does work, and they are all changeable. I did take some time doing that. They're kind of, each of these also work. So, you can turn off the health bars. These don't work. There's no, you can't really adjust the health bar size, but that's not too worrisome. I just kind of threw that in there. You can interact with some of the stuff to kind of see some attributes, and I could hurt it if I really wanted to. I think now that I heard that, the engineer will walk over here and will do its best once he gets past this tree, and he will start healing him. That's kind of what he does. I could also interact with him. As you see, he stopped healing the tower. I could hurt him, but there's really no one to actually heal the settler. I was going to use the terms villagers, but all I think about is Minecraft when I hear that. So just use a different term that's not super popular, at least that I can. So far, the world is flat, but it is procedurally generated. Can't really say that word. So if I do walk out, it will keep generating new chunks, as you might call it. These trees I did model myself. I did follow a tutorial, so if they do look familiar, then probably saw the same tutorial as I did. So as I do walk this way, new chunks are spawned and old chunks are deleted. And each chunk is different. And if I go back, the chunks that were deleted should be the same. They do get saved. They're not currently saved to disk. Can't really delete any trees or anything, so that's not really an issue. It uses Perlin noise, so it just gets a respawn at the end, or not respawn, regenerated the same exact way it was generated the first time. Other than that, that's really all I have for the game so far. I think next I'll be working on an inventory type system and being able to pick up items and break down trees. I do have these little menus right here where you can see the different, or how many towers and how many settlers are in the scene. So that's kind of nice to know. Doesn't really do much good right now since it's in the beginning, but hopefully sometime in the future it will do some good. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the first devlog where I actually develop and add stuff to the game. So if you want to see more, subscribe. If you don't, well, there's nothing I can really do about that. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.